a lot of flowers buffet. Marami nagbibigay ng flowers. Kasi ngayon kasi darating yung ating baby newborn from the hospital. Ayan. Isa pa dito. Ayan. Ang ganda. Magkaparas-paras lang ng kulay. Simple. And this is baby Helena. Everybody excited to see her. Welcome, baby Helena. Diba? Excited na kami makita ka, baby. She's on the way. So, waiting kami. Bye. Ayan.